Hi guys, Rocky again. Just continuing on my last video on Active Directories and multiple joins to a domain. When we left off, I indicated to you that we were going to do the legacy operating system, which is XP. So we still have XP and Windows 7 to do, so I'm going to do Windows 7 and leave XP for last on this video. Alright, so we're going to open up Windows 7, which I already did. Remember, as I said before, we need to set up make sure that the network adapters are correctly configured in order for the systems to be able to see each other. Alright, so as we did in the previous tutorial, we went on here to the my computer. Now I'm going to show first of all that the system itself is not on the domain, right? So we have here, it's still in a work group. Make sure that recovery is on, network recovery is on. Right, so we could go here into control panel, we go to network internet, and we go to the network sharing center. Right, the network sharing center is going to, we're going to set up the advanced sharing settings, and here we're going to make sure that the network discovery is turned on, right, and also that the file and print service is also turned on. We're going to go change the adapter settings. Alright, changing the adapter settings with we're going to the properties. Alright, remember the version 4. Go to properties, version 4, and here we have 192.168.0.3. Right, and we also have the DNS server already. What the server IP address is. Good. And close that. So now we go back out, and what we need to do is now go to start. We're going to go to my computer, properties, and we're going to change the settings. Right, we're going to change the settings here and put it on the domain. Alright, name of the domain. And click OK. Username, the administrator. Right, and now we are welcome to Rockland domain. Okay, must restart. Okay, close off, and then we restart the system. Alright, so now that the Windows 7 is restarting, now we quickly go across to XP and do the same with XP. Alright, let's see just to make sure and check that it's not. Alright, we have here home. Go to computer name, and there we see that it's part of a work group. Alright, so we go start, control panel, and then we come in here to the network and internet connections. Alright, network connections, open that. We have the local area network, properties. Alright, and then we go to the internet protocol, properties, and then we do the same. Go here 192.168.0.4. Right, subnet mask, default gateway 192.168.0.1. We use the DNS 192.168.0.1. Good. So we have that set up. Close it. Right, so what I didn't do with the Windows 7 machine was to actually test to see that we're actually seeing each other. So So let's go to the command prompt. Alright, and we'll ping the machine, in the server machine, just to make sure that we are actually connected. Alright, so that's the server machine IP address. Ping, and there we go. Reply all 4. So at least the Windows XP is actually seeing the server machine. Right. So now we go on to second part of this, which is to right click properties, name, and change and put this on the domain itself. Right. Alright, so we have the XP machine now. So there we go, we have the XP machine. Welcome to the Rockland domain. So now we have all of our systems, all 4 of them, connected to the domain. Now we're just gonna make sure that we have user profiles for them all in the server. So we now go across to the server as they restart. Go across to the server, and we need to create new users. Alright, so the first name here, we'll create the win_7. Click next. Alright, password never expires. So now we have the Windows 7 user, and now we're going to have to put in the XP user. Now I'm just using these names obviously just for a simple naming convention, so that we would know exactly which machine we are using. But obviously when you start using your own naming convention for your company, it would be anything you want. So now we have 3 users: the Vista 7, sorry, the Windows 7, the Windows Vista, and the Windows XP, all on the Active Directory. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the XP machine, and what you need to do here is check the options. When you click option here, it shows you that we are actually on this computer itself. So we don't want that. We want to actually go to the domain, or the Rockland domain. Click on Rockland, right, and we have a user, WinXP. Alright, password, and then click OK. And now it's going to install the settings for that machine. Now we also have the Vista machine, which we are going to log on to. Remember, switch the user, because this is the PC and not the domain. Switch the user to other user, and now we can log on to the Rockland domain with the Win7 user. And there we have it. Now we have all the 3 systems. They have all been joined to the domain. So we have included the multiple joins, so you can see exactly how simple it is to join systems and of different genre, as you say. We have the legacy device, which is the XP. We also have the Vista and the Windows 7, which all are and have been successfully joined to the domains. We're going to start doing the roaming profiles and the home folder. I'll try my very best to get as much information to you in terms of how important these two systems are: the roaming profiles and the home folder. Thanks very much, and come back soon. Rocky.